Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you really what to teach online, and I get this question a lot. People ask me, Joe, I just don't know what to teach. What should I teach? What's going to work best? What works better? And before we even dive into this a little bit further, I just want you to know that there's really no right or wrong answer to this question. But here's what I suggest, and here's how I've started. You want to choose something that you have proof that you are either mastered or you're pretty good at it. And if you can't do that, I would suggest that you teach something that you're passionate about and something that you just enjoy and love anyways. So I started with a goal setting course, and that course now I don't think makes me very much money. And when you get started teaching online, the money part of it should kind of be an afterthought. When you get started from scratch, what you're really trying to learn and build is a skill set. You're learning and building a teaching skill set. A lot of people, when they come to creating videos online, it becomes very difficult. It's technical. It's tough to maybe script or not script. Right now, I'm not scripting. I don't script my videos anymore. I used to do that, and it took way too much time. And I just like to free flow, just teach you. I get the topic, I have some notes, I know what I want to talk about, but then boom, I just let it go. So when you start teaching online, pick something that is really easy for you to just kind of talk about, and it just feels natural to you. So that's something that you've mastered or you're an expert at, or something that you're just really passionate and that you love. And from there, let the creation happen. See the process happen. And once you become more technical and you understand how this works, you know how to work the cameras, you know how to create the video courses, and you've created maybe 2 or 3 online video courses, then you can start shifting and thinking, okay, well, what courses sell best? Why are they selling best? And I'm going to show you in another video in this course specifically which courses are doing that, so I don't want to spoil the next video for you, but I want you to kind of just enjoy the process of teaching. I feel so many people, they kind of get robbed of, I just want to just share and give, and they're trying to get after the money. It's like, oh, if I just solve this money problem, or if I just make money, blah, 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 blah. And by chasing the money, they end up not finishing video courses, they end up not enjoying the experience. Their students then don't enjoy the experience with the creator because they can tell that they're just about the money. So if you focus on the money, it's going to repel it. If you focus on the teaching and just enjoying the process, and you know that there is a formula for getting there, which you're going to learn, you're going to do so much better. You're gonna get better reviews, people are going to like you, you're going to find the right niches for yourself, you're going to find the right tribe of people that just enjoy your content. I know there are people that, it doesn't matter what video I put out there, as long as I'm sitting there talking about it, they're enjoying it. So right now, it's an absolutely beautiful day, and I kind of want to just pick up the camera and show you and just kind of walk around my terrace here, because honestly, I just want to enjoy the day. I want to enjoy this process of creating, and it's not perfect. You know, there's going to be some camera malfunctions here, and that's one thing too when you start teaching, or when you're thinking about what courses to teach. Don't beat yourself up if it doesn't go how you planned right away. My very first month teaching online, I made $39. That was it. But that was $39 more than I had, and I was so excited for that. So take the wins and the losses as they come, and choose something that you just enjoy doing. I love teaching people how to teach online. I love teaching people how to teach. And that's why I'm creating this course here in 2017. It was time for an update. I really wanted to create some cool videos for you guys and really shoot some cool stuff, because as I can kind of lean down here, you know, there's some crazy traffic. And if I even lean maybe even more down this way, you can see the John Hancock there. There we go. Get a shot of that. Get the traffic down there on Michigan Avenue. And I just love shooting videos like this. So find your passion in the video production part of it, and also just enjoying the teaching aspect of it. And from there, you're going to create some amazing content. You're going to inspire your students, and then they're going to learn way more from you that way as well. Thanks again so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to teach you guys more. Coming up, stay tuned.